Hi friends, my name is Chandrasekhar. I am from Narsarapeta. I am a financial advisor. I cheated by me in some person in working as railways. She called as Parvati, working as telecom operator, telecom one signal section in DRM office, Visakhapatnam, railway Visakhapatnam. In the year of 2016, he had taken 5 lakhs towards the hostel investment. Previously, she is doing hostel warden. She is also working in railways and she is doing also hostel warden. Both duties are doing. But till today, the amount was not refunded. Every time I asked for refund my amount, but they give responsibility to arrogantly. We are doing business, not other things. Abusing words. I am lady. I will do anything. My husband is working in ACB court as a attender. So take care yourself. They are giving warnings. Every time I am asking for a refund my amount. Past 7 years I am struggling. I am complaining railway higher authorities and different category of higher authority chairman, executive chairman, ED, different segments, and also railway uh, uh, railway authorities also. But there is no response. I mailed a copy of uh, the issue to the DRM Visakhapatnam, but there is no response. They are saved their people. So kindly friends, the cheater is cheating another one also previously, but we are suffering. Friends, this is the issue. Thank you.